Hello and welcome to lesson number 5 of our Year 1 scheme of work with Scratch Jnr. Today we'll be looking at creating our own sprite using editing tools. So let's get to the lesson itself. So, a lesson like this, you want to do the least amount of explaining as you can because it's all about the children's creativity, and this is a great opportunity for the children to be creative. But we still refer to the success criteria. We're going to use some time to remember what debugging is, see if that knowledge is still there, explain what editing is, and use editing tools to create. So we've got our vocabularies of debug, sprite, and editing. Editing's a new one, and we can have a class discussion about what it means to edit. So there are a lot of sprites in Scratch Jnr. If you could design your own, what would it look like? The children may not be aware that we can make our own sprites in Scratch Jnr. So they might think of a combination. I want to make a half bunny and a half pig. This is a great opportunity for the children to be imaginative until we reveal that we can edit our own sprites in Scratch. And here is what the editing suite looks like. And we can start to talk to the children about what do you think the colours do and things like that. And then we move to the actual tools themselves. What do each of the tools do? So we have a freeform pen, we have a circle tool, square tool, and a triangle tool. We have a pointer here, the select tool. This one allows us to copy. We have this one allows us to rotate. It is a stamp that allows us to copy. The cutting tool is here, and we can use a paint bucket to fill in shapes that we make, and a camera tool we can use pictures as part of our design as well. So we can jump straight into the task with this one and allow the children lots of time, especially if they're working in pairs. The children will want to make their own sprite. So we move on to the program. Here is a brand new project. We click over here to start a new sprite, and we go to the blank character here, and we click in the top right corner to get onto the editing suite, and here we are in the editing suite. So I'm going to start by choosing a colour. Is always a good start. I'm going to choose a nice orange. I'm going to make an orange square, and I can change the thickness of that line before I draw the square, but I'm not happy with the thickness of that, so I can click on my cutting tool and get rid of that. This time I want to draw a orange square that's got thicker lines. There we have it. And I can go to my paint bucket, and I might fill it in with this light blue colour, and there it is filled in. I can use the stamp, and now I've got 2 of them. Okay, you can use the select tool to 2 of them, and if I click again, we can see the 4 points here, and we can manipulate those, move those around to create more shapes, which is a great thing to model to the children. If I go to the camera, okay, I can click on a shape, and then it gives me the opportunity to make a picture. So there we have, we've got a sprite there. I'm going to take off this shape here, and this is going to be my sprite, my picture, my character, and I finish that by clicking a tick, and there I am in the program myself. So the children might want to explore using the photo as well.